Turnips are a common component of many South Asian kitchen diaries. They are very easy to grow at home. Let's do it. Prepare a good soil mix with organic compost and garden soil. Make an inch-deep parallel lines. Sprinkle the seeds, avoiding overcrowding. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil and gently tap the soil for a good seed-to-soil contact. Water thoroughly after seed sowing. The seeds germinate in less than a week. Thin the seedlings to leave a gap of 4 to 5 inches between them. Soon they produce fresh true leaves. The leaves can be harvested and eaten fresh or cooked. Adding a fertilizer every 4 weeks. Water well after adding fertilizer. They start to form turnips within 2 months. At this stage, they can be harvested. Both the turnips and leaves are edible. Remove the leaves and wash them thoroughly under running water. and enjoy fresh and organic turnips right from your own garden. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.